Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So in last few days, or I would say few weeks, I was able to get some nice castings from Hotwheels and Matchbox. I went into an event where they had a Hot Wheels stall, and also I found some, I think, by trading. So I thought making a small video to give you a sneak peek into all the cars that you will see in the coming videos. So I'm gonna start with Hot Wheels and then move to Matchbox, and then I also have got a mini GT, which I think you're gonna like. So you do see a set in front of you, but I'm gonna start with a Hot Wheels Silver Series casting, which is Lancia Rally. This is a part of the set, the 5-car set, and I think the videos for 4 of those are already up on the channel, and this will follow soon. So this might be the first review on the channel after those. Yes, I finally found the last car, missing piece of the set, and it's a nice casting. Now, moving to the premium set in front of you, it's Hot Wheels Thrill Crime Burst, and some of the castings are really good looking on this one. So you see the 5 castings in front of you. I'm gonna just keep showing each of them. First one is this Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6. Again, good looking casting. Second is this Lancia Delta S4. It's a really nice set. All the castings look really nice. I'm sorry it's not in the order. I'm just picking up whichever is in front of me. Third one is this Subaru Impreza WRX. Again, looks really nice. Fourth is this Porsche 914 Safari. Might have seen this paint on other Matchbox and Hot Wheels Porsches. And then this is the last one, Bench 300 SEL, and I think it's one of my favorites. It's finished in all black face, black body, and looks really good. Then we have got some new Hot Wheels mainline Silver Series. I'm gonna start with this one. So this is a Maserati Tipo 61. Again, it's a mainline casting. Looks really good. Next is VW ID Buzz Bomb. I know they did a VW ID Buzz before, but this one is slightly modified before 2026. Next I got this Porsche 911 Off-Roader. I know it's not new, but then it's new for me. It looks good though. And then there are these 3 Silver Series cars. So these 2 are from Pontiac set. This one is a 65 Pontiac Bonneville. I think there are 5 cars in the set. You can see I was only able to find 2 of these. This is a 70 Pontiac GTO Judge. I think I'm a fan of these. They always look so good. And then we have got a Jaguar Mark 1 from the Summit Surge Silver Series pack. They also have like 5 cars. You can see them. I was only able to find 1. Coming back to premiums, so I've got few from Hot Wheels Boulevard, few from Fast and Furious, and this one is Car Culture, one from Matrix. So I'm just going to start from that. So I've got the 64 Lincoln Continental from the movie Matrix. It looks like a sick car. Then I've got the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, and it's from Fast and Furious movies. Looks good. And I've got this 1967 Chevy Custom. This is a new release, I guess. It wasn't released before, and I think it looks really good. From Car Culture, I've got 73 Honda Civic. I think there are 5 cars. See at the back. So I was able to find one. The Corolla also looks really attractive. Wasn't able to get that though. And here is the Boulevard set. I was only able to find 3. Let's see what 5 cars are there. So there's the Mercedes-Benz, Lamborghini Diablo, Firebird, Sun Primera, and Pajero Evo. So this is the Pajero Evo, finished in white. Looks really good. Then it's Nissan Primera, again finished in green and looks really nice. We'll see all the details once I do the full review videos. And we also got Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC Rally, and I think it looks really nice, especially in this silver paint. I was also able to get these 2 car sets. So one is from obviously James Bond movies, Spectre. Let's look at that. So there's Aston Martin DB10 and Jaguar CX-75. I think it looks really good. And the other set is from Car Culture and has a Countach LP5000 QV and a Lancia Status 0. I think that was a concept, I'm not sure. And I got this, I think it's my third mini GT. It's a Bentley Flying Spur. Looks really good. Can't wait to open it, show you all the details. Yeah, now let's move to the Matchbox. So let's start with the Matchbox main lines first. This is the first one I got, the Ford Police Interceptor, and it's the Sky Buster Police. New color, I think it's new for 2026, the color, not the car. Next, I got this Toyota RAV4 TRD. I think it was released in 2025, but in a different color, I guess. This might be new for 2026. Next is the 1958 Chevy Corvette, and this one is new for 2026. Again, a good looking mainline casting. And Toyota Prius Prime. I think this was first released in 2024 or 2025, can't remember, but in a different color. This color is new for this year. Next is this 97 Toyota RAV4, and this one is new for 2026 in a good looking mainline casting. Next is this 9080 Jeep J10 Stepside, and it's again new for 2026. Looks like a good casting, though I think it misses on a detail on front. I don't know about the back, we'll see. All this casting I'm showing you, I will be making full review videos and they will show up in coming weeks. So after the main lines, let's move to the moving part and collector, starting with this 2004 Lexus GS400. New for 2026, finished in black, looks like a nice casting with opening hood. Next we got this 2023 Ford Maverick, and I'm sure it was new for 2025, and I think it was a different color, like a bluish shade. This one is more on the green kind of side. It again looks like a nice casting from the pictures. It shows that has opening hood and opening tailgate. Really interesting to see. Next is 2004 Ford Excursion, a big SUV, new for 2025, comes with opening hood. I'm interested to see it because these were common few years ago here, like, I think a decade ago, but it looks like a good casting. The last moving part I've got is the 2024 Lexus IS F500F Sport. I like the paint, looks like it has nice details with opening hood, and it's also new for 2026. And now to Matchbox collector, both of them are Porsches and both of them look really good. Let's go with this one first. So as you can see, it's a Porsche 356A, finished in this really nice shade, looks really good. You can see a lot of details on it. And the last one is a Porsche 911 slant nose, 911 turbo slant nose, and if you look at the front, it has a different front end compared to the other Porsches. Yeah, so these were all the cars I got recently, and you will see the videos in coming weeks. And as I keep getting more cars, if I find new ones, I will keep adding more videos. You know, we make these small videos on like weekends just to show you like what you can expect for the coming weeks. Well, that's all for the day. Have a nice one. Thank you. Keep watching.